Okay, so in the other video I put the motor in here, and I had to deal with the wiring. Let's see. There we go. So I had all mess, right? This whole mess, and I figured, so they're in behind the seat, or behind the driver's seat, in that little valley, like the batteries on that side. And this side has the voltage regulator. Actually, let me show you that. I'll show you that. Alright, so right here at the voltage regulator that I'm not using because I have a built-in one on the alternator. And I had all these wires, like there's some cut right here. Like, I was like, what the heck? So these three are the ones I had to figure out. Blue, white, and yellow here. And look over here. You look. So the blue and green, I guess. So before, it had a, this is for your oil light. So before, it had a pressure one for the oil pressure inside the cab, but I don't have that. So I didn't have to put both of these, I guess, but I put both of them anyway. And the white one goes to the negative coil for the tachometer. And yeah. So all of this over here, basically didn't really do too much. There was one wire hanging down. It's supposed to go to the transmission for my reverse lights. So it comes back here, and then underneath plugs into the transmission. So yeah, there's just a little update. Things running good. Probably do an oil change on it in the near future, and valve adjustments.